Hello everyone, this is my review of the Shark Apex Power Lift Vacuum Cleaner. This is a powerful bagless vacuum cleaner that is very versatile in its use. And I'm going to show you some of its abilities. It comes with some very useful attachments to make cleaning easy. In those hard to reach places, I'll show you how you can use some of those later. Let me show you some stuff about the vacuum cleaner. This handle here can actually detach, and you have a mini handle here that you can put these attachments onto to get into different areas. The power button is on the handle there, and you have different settings you can adjust it to as well. If you need a longer wand, you can unlatch right here and you can pull out this whole stem, and it's a longer wand that you can use, and you can put those attachments onto there as well. So that makes that pretty easy and convenient for reaching in places that's hard to reach. It snaps right back in there, and you see, you can lift the whole thing up. So it's pretty sturdy and it clicks in pretty good. You can also detach this part that has the vacuum and the dust collector, so you don't have to carry the whole vacuum around. You can detach it and walk around with this lighter part if you have a harder to reach place as well. And it just snaps back in just like that too. You can pick the whole thing up and take it with you. You can use it just like a regular vacuum as well. You just press the button up here, it turns on, and you angle it down like this and push it like a regular vacuum. It also has a swivel to it, so we have to get around corners and makes it easy. You can angle it, and it has a light. If you vacuum without lights or need to see better, it has lights there, so that's cool as well. All right, let me show you some of the attachments. Actually, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ones, the small attachment you can attach to get into small areas, or when you want to do your couch, or when you vacuum your car. This works really well vacuuming your car. So this vacuum cleaner is very versatile. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.